Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible transformation. You see this old dusty drill? It's been sitting around, barely working, and you might think it's only good for drilling holes. But what if I told you I could turn this seemingly useless tool into something completely different, capable of some truly surprising feats? Now that it's cleaner, I'm carefully unscrewing all the screws on the drill's casing. It's important to keep track of all the screws so none get lost, as we'll need them later to put everything back together securely. This allows me to access the internal mechanics and prepare it for our modification. With the screws out, I can now gently open up the drill. Look at all the components inside. It's quite intricate. But don't worry, we're going to simplify things quite a bit. I'm brushing away any internal dust and debris to ensure all the components are clear and ready for the next steps. Now, I'm carefully removing the chuck and the gear assembly. These parts are vital for the drill's original function, but for our project, we'll be replacing them with something entirely different, so they need to be set aside. I'm taking a piece of PVC pipe and marking it. This measurement is crucial because this pipe will form the core of our new internal component, and it needs to fit perfectly inside the drill housing where the motor used to be. Using a pipe cutter, I'm making a clean, precise cut on the PVC pipe of the mark I just made. A straight cut is essential for a snug and secure fit when we place it back into the drill. Now I'm drilling a hole through the center of the PVC pipe. This will be the main channel for our heating element. So accuracy is key here. I'm drilling another identical hole on the opposite side of the PVC pipe. This pair of holes will allow the ends of our coil wire to pass through neatly, ensuring proper connectivity. I'm using a utility knife to smooth out the edges of the newly drilled holes. Removing any burrs prevents the wires from getting damaged when we pass them through. For the core of our heating element, I'm carefully wrapping a thin, resistance wire around the PVC pipe, threading it through the small holes. This wire is crucial because it's designed to heat up significantly when electrical current passes through it. I'm sure the coils are evenly spaced, which will help create uniform heat distribution. Once I've completed the winding, I'm trimming the excess wire, leaving enough length on both ends for our electrical connections. To ensure safety and proper insulation, I'm wrapping the entire copper coil with black electrical tape. This prevents accidental short circuits and protects the delicate windings from external damage. Next, I'm adding another layer of insulated yellow wire, wrapping it around the electrical tape. This secondary coil will act as an inductor, enhancing the overall magnetic field and concentrating the heat from our resistance wire. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm stripping a small section of insulation from the ends of the yellow wire. Exposing the copper is necessary to make proper electrical connections later on. I'm securing one end of the yellow wire by tying them neatly around the main copper wire leads. This ensures the windings stay in place and prevents them from unraveling during use. It's all about making a robust and reliable tool. I'm repeating the stripping process for the other end of the yellow wire. I'm twisting the remaining ends of the copper wire together into a single sturdy point. This consolidates the circuit and makes it easier to connect to the motor. I'm carefully attaching the newly created coil assembly to the motor's rotor, ensuring a solid electrical contact. This is the heart of our modification, bringing the new function to life. I'm connecting the ends of the resistance wire to the central shaft that used to hold the drill bit. This is where the concentrated heat will be generated, making this connection critical. With the modified motor assembly complete, I'm placing it back inside the drill casing. I'm also reattaching the chuck, ensuring everything fits perfectly and is aligned correctly. I'm taking one of the yellow wires and connecting it to the drill's internal wiring. I use a screwdriver to remove the power cord from the drill. Then I use pliers to cut and strip the power cord from the drill switch. I'm now carefully reconnecting the internal power wires and using electrical tape to insulate all exposed connections. This step is incredibly important for safety, preventing any short circuits or hazards. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. With all the internal components in place and securely wired, I'm closing the drill casing and screwing it back together. I make sure to tighten every screw, ensuring the drill is robust and ready for use. This step ensures that the tool is robust, safely enclosed, and ready for action. And there it is, our modified drill, looking good and ready to prove its new capabilities. Who would have thought this old drill could become something so different? Now, I'm plugging the drill's original power cord into an extension strip. I'm plugging in a light bulb. See that? It instantly lights up. As you can see, the extension strip is working, ready to deliver power to our device. I'm inserting a metal welding rod into the drill's chuck. This rod will become the electrode for our improvised welding setup. The strong grip of the chuck ensures a secure connection. I'm using the drill to weld these two pieces of metal together. Watch closely as the concentrated energy from our modified drill melts the metal, creating a strong bond. This homemade welding tool is surprisingly effective. You can see the intense heat and sparks generated, capable of welding light metals. This drill is actually welding. It's incredible to see the concentrated power in action, effortlessly joining metal together. After welding, I'm using a hammer and a wire brush to clean off the slag from the weld. This reveals a clean, strong joint we created with our transformed drill. And there you have it, our incredible multifunctional tool, transformed from a simple, old drill into a capable welding device. This DIY project proves that with a little creativity and some unexpected modifications, you can achieve amazing things. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.